How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Cardinal Reimagined. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back again, and I am bringing that heat to you right here this winter. Even though it's 30 degrees outside, Mr. Tiny is bringing that heat to you all winter long. And I am back again with a fan favorite model by the name of the Cardinal. But what's so special about this is, if you know how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we love to reimagine our favorite models here. So all we do is take the great floor plans that you love and then make some great tweaks to it to take it over the top. So here today we have the Cardinal Reimagined that you see right here behind me. And this is a great model with tons of curb appeal that you'll see here. Now this particular model, as shown, is 15 feet wide, 36 feet long, and that's including the 10-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $116K. $116,000, you'll get everything you see besides furniture and decor. And keep in mind, that's today, not next year, not next week. It's today for $116K. Now, what I love about the Cardinal Reimagined is the exterior curb appeal. As you will see, you've got a raised clear story here on the porch, a prismatic window centered, and then another clear story window there off the rear of the home. What we've done is add a exterior base in board and bat James Hardie siding, but then in the clear story, we went with a lap siding accent, so that pairs great. And then we've chosen to add the black windows on this home as well, so you have that contrast, the raised roof lines going throughout the home. On the exterior base color, we went ahead and went with a special paint color by the name of Night Owl. In the accent and your fascia, we have the special paint color by the name of Black Fox, and then we topped it all off with a bronze metal roof. So you got plenty of character on the exterior. And then here on the front porch, you can see that we have the 2x4 X railing here. Again, a brand new feature, seeing for the first time right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And then we also have the light stone on your Craftsman bases. Now follow me up onto the porch so you can get the up close and personal view. And as you walk up, you'll see how grandeur this feels at 10 feet. And with that 10-foot front porch, you get the clear stories on each side. You have the raised ceiling here with the ceiling fan centered. We have an open gable with no crow's foot. And then look at that railing that I talked about earlier. The rebar on the inside, the 2x4 X's on the outside. We have the wood tops and bottoms. And then look at the Craftsman bases. Yes, you've seen Craftsman bases before, but you haven't seen it like this at Recreational Resort Cottages. Light stone wrapped around your Craftsman bases. And since we added the 3 posts, this added an extra dimension where we have the end cut right here in your Craftsman bases. So that goes a long way in plenty of character. Also, we have a 56-inch prismatic window above your front door. We have 2 vertical windows on each side and 2 farmhouse lights on each side of those as well. Now follow me in to this black patio door that brings in the Cardinal Reimagined. And guys, just get a great look of this interior that you're going to see here today. And what I love about it is one of the first features that you'll see here that we've changed up from previous Cardinal models is the focal point right here in the living area. Yes, we chose to go with that light stone that we had on those Craftsman bases. We chose to add it right here around your interior LED fireplace. We have the southern yellow pine gray stained mantle there as well. And then we chose to continue that light stone all the way up until it meets another 56-inch prismatic dormer and window right here for your liking. And what I love about this is, real quick, look, we got the 56-inch prismatic window there. We've got the 56-inch prismatic window there, and then look across above your kitchen, another 56-inch prismatic dormer. Now showcase what that does. Look straight up and see if you can notice the starburst dimension in the ceiling. When you add those prismatic windows, you get a starburst effect where all those roof lines capture in the center and just adds all kinds of angles and dimension to this Cardinal Reimagined. So that's a first, again, that you'll see right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And with that patio door right here, you got tons of natural light on the front of the home. Again, that prismatic window up top. But what I love and what fans love and our supporters love about the Cardinal model is the 15 feet in width. So with that said, you have all this space to accommodate furniture. You have the couch over here, and this wall is around 96 inches that you're going to get here as well. And then it's even prepped and wired for a TV jack above this fireplace as well, so you can put your TV right there. Have convenience there if you wanted to do so. We have the vertical windows on each side, and it adds so much character to this 399 square foot tiny home. And again, the flow of this floor plan, you have all this space here. Also notice that you have LVT plank flooring going throughout the entire home. So that is a other feature that I want to add. Now follow me over into the kitchen area, and you'll notice here, right off the bat, we have the island separating the kitchen and living room area. We have the front of it painted white here, of course, to match your white cabinets. We have the black bar pools. We chose to go with a brand new countertop, first time featured here. This is going to be your Granito Cascada countertop right here. So that is a great factor, pairing in all these colors. And speaking of the things that are making this home special, again, this is a brand new Cardinal Reimagined, so we got to bring something brand new, fresh off the press, and that is limited run tile. Look at this tile that you're going to get here. This is going to be the Evoke tile that we have, and this is going to be while supplies last. You can't get this anywhere else, so you're going to get it with us. So you better get on it if you want to put this in this Cardinal Reimagined or another model that you enjoy. Then this is the time to move forward now, because it's only while we have it in stock. So that Evoke tile is adding in and pairing all these colors of the countertop, and it's running from the countertop up to the bottom of the cabinets, around the windows, up to the other 56-inch prismatic window. Notice this open shelving that we have in the gray stain as well. And then we have a new feature, which are the L-style brackets. If you notice, if you look at them, you have it where it comes at an angle and back up, kind of giving you that L shape there. And those are great flat brackets that you'll get there. Also, you've got the stainless steel farm sink here with all the attachments, the drainers, the sprayers, and we have the Black Swan faucet. Speaking of the sprayers there for you. And guys, this is just the convenience and luxury of the Cardinal floor plan that everyone likes. We're just adding those additional characteristics back to this home. And then follow me on down, you'll see that we have the stainless steel appliances, you know, just pairing that look all together, the convection oven, smooth top oven down below, and then the side-by-side refrigerator with the ice in the door. And then you'll notice a fan favorite feature about the Cardinal model is that it has a pantry. Yes, it is a 399 square foot tiny home, but it has a pantry in here as well. So this works great to store your canned goods, your food, but then you also have space down below for items such as a trash can. You can put your broom down there. Whatever you want to utilize this space for, you have the option to do so. Then you would go behind this pocket door right here, which leads right into the bathroom. And again, we kept this brand new countertop going, this Granito Cascada countertop going around, and it is a banjo style countertop, meaning that you have the open space here, and then we've extended the countertop going over the toilet as well. We have the drawer bank down below, the linen up top. We even added a shiplap accent wall right here in your bathroom. But this is the focal point that I want to say about the bathroom. So let me move out the way so you can get a great look right here at that tile. This is going to be another feature, brand new feature that we have, that is a limited run as well. So again, while supplies last, y'all better get it while the getting is good. And this is going to be the River Gray Pebblestone accent going vertical right here for you, as well paired with the onyx tile with haystack grout running throughout this shower. So right here, it is, I mean, I can look at this all day. Again, this is the River Gray Pebblestone accent in a vertical pattern. So that is just another feature that we've chose to add to our homes just to take it up the next level and add that in. And you can see we chose to go again with no shower door here. That way you can put the curtain up that you like. And also, again, it makes ease of access into the shower. I have plenty of clients that are taking care of their elderly mother, elderly father, and sometimes it may be someone who's not elderly, someone who just does not want to step in to the shower after a long day. They don't want those big lips sometimes that you get in the shower models or tubs. So you leave it open. That way you can put up the curtain of your choice, have ease of access into the shower. So again, just get a great look of this shower. Again, it is elevated right here. If you're subscribed like you should be, you know I'm around 6'1", so you can see how much space you have there to operate. So right here we got your soap dishes in the corner. We also have your detachable sprayer in black, tying everything together. Now let's keep it going through. And we have the pocket door leading from the bathroom into the bedroom. And follow me into the bedroom, and you'll notice here, you have enough space in this bedroom of the Cardinal that you can accommodate a queen size, even up to a king size bed in this model if you choose. Went ahead and I threw the farmhouse lights on each side, plugs down below so you can add nightstands in if you'd like to do so. Also have the clear story window here behind me, bringing in that natural light. You have your mini split AC and heat system in here to keep you nice and cold during the summer and nice and warm during the winter. But this is the feature that makes the Cardinal so special. It is the walk-in closet. In the walk-in closet, you're going to notice the stackable washing machine and dryer hidden right here in the rear of the home, out of sight, out of mind. Usually it would be in the space where the pantry is currently located, but in the Cardinal you have a walk-in closet, so you can accommodate the washer and dryer hidden away behind the pocket door. So the only thing that you will know about this walk-in closet is that you will know that you have a washer and dryer in there. Guests will not know a thing. So it's tucked out of sight, out of mind. And as you follow me on in, you can see how convenient this walk-in closet is. You have the double shelves, double rides right here for you. So plenty of storage space to hang your items, plenty of storage space down below for your shoes, etc. And then we've also added a transom window up top, bringing in that natural light for you also. And you continue, follow me around here, and this flooring just looks lovely. This LVT plank flooring going throughout. And then let's see here, we've lowered this stair wall right here that you'll see. We lowered that stair wall, added a handrail, even added the rebar to complement the rebar that you'll see on the porch, as well as the rebar rails that are in the loft. We went ahead and added the gray stain to the top of the rail, and then we've complemented that with the gray stained stairs with the drawers in the stairs as well. So you also have storage in the stairs. And then guys, just follow me up to the loft so I can showcase again why the Cardinal is so special. And then after all this that I've showcased downstairs, you can see why the addition of the loft is just that little extra that you need. And now we're in the loft of the Cardinal Reimagined. And again, this is just the cherry on top to have the additional storage or the additional sleeping space that you're looking for, and an overall great and functional floor plan that is 399 square feet. So you'll see here, of course, we had to add another 56-inch prismatic window in this model. We went prismatic window crazy. We pretty much looked around and pulled an Oprah here in the Cardinal Reimagined. We pretty much said, you get a prismatic window, you get a prismatic window, you. We got it all over. So literally on 4 corners of the house, 4 sides of the house, we have prismatic windows. And then on each side of this loft, we went ahead and added the clear story window as usual, bringing in that natural light. And you can see we continued the LVT plank flooring here in the loft, just adding a great color, great contrast to this loft space. And then, if you notice right here on this side, we have the walled off section. This is a complete wall from the floor of the loft up to the ceiling that goes right above the bathroom area. So that way, if you wanted some privacy, if you actually wanted to put a bed over here or a chill space, whatever you wanted, you can have privacy from your guests down below. So that is a great feature that we've added into this Cardinal Reimagined as well. So please pan down to the rest of the home so that way you can see how great 399 square feet in this Cardinal Reimagined can be. Look at that great layout, great functionality of the floor plan. And again, this model is 15 feet wide, 36 feet long, and that's including the 10-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $116K. $116K is going to get you everything that I showcased today. All of those limited run features, the one-of-a-kind features that you saw that we provide here, you will get today. And keep in mind that price is today, not next year's. Today for $116K. And if you enjoyed this Cardinal Reimagined, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, leave a like, and hit that notification bell to let me know that I'm doing a great job and we're doing a great job by bringing these all new floor plans to you each and every week. If you're in the market for a tiny home, you know we are the ones in the entire world that does it like no other when it comes to park model, 399 square feet recreational vehicle, tiny homes. Recreational resort cottages is the place to be. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Cardinal Reimagined was. Was it the prismatic windows that we get on each side of this home? Was it the starburst ceiling that you got in the living area because of all the geometrics leading to the center of the roof line? Was it the one-of-a-kind backsplash that you've never seen before in the kitchen, the Evoke backsplash? Was it the river gray pebblestone accent in the shower? That's my personal favorite on this model. It'd be a tie between that and the X style railing that you saw on the front porch. That's stuff that you only get right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So leave it down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite feature was. Also, if you want to contact me directly, you know what to do. Run over to Instagram right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Cardinal Reimagined as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. And so next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.